Do you know why most traders lose money in the market? Because they enter the market without any specific plan. Anyone who hears something from one side presses a button to open a position and then remains in the middle of the road. That's why today we are going to teach you a powerful strategy for diet or dimes. A trading plan based on a smart money concept that proceeds from the start of chart analysis to the moment of entry with very specific and applicable rules. If you have a problem with the entry point, or if you feel that you will get stuck very quickly, this strategy is exactly what can give you a better in the market. So before you open another trade, see this section completely. This is Perlandi strategy de tradings. That is, you close your positions on the same day without keeping them until the next day. This removes the risks of the night and focuses on the movements of the price. It has more opportunities than scalping, but it stays in the market less than song trading, so it is less risky, and most importantly, it fits very well with the smart money concept. Why? Because it allows you to use tools like liquidity grab, order balag and filio grab and market structure to get accurate entries. But in order to be able to really implement this strategy, you must first know the highlighted version of Mephame's support mind. These concepts are the main basis of this system, and your success depends on how well you can implement them in chart. The first thing we need to understand is the concepts of demand and supply. Supply and demand are actually areas on the chart from where the price has moved strongly, which means traders enter the market in that area, and causing the price to quickly move away from that level. We usually mark the beginning of that extreme movement as a demand zone or a sable. And we expect that when the price goes back there, it will show a warning, because the behavior of the market in that area has been like this. But the fact that you can find a demand supply in an area that can be tweeted requires paying attention to several very important points. In the next section, we will find out exactly what factors make a supply or demand area profitable and how can we find them on the chart. The three important signs are confirmation of the validity of price zone and ineffective demand. Breakup structure and push distance are the zone from which the price has moved. Each of these are like a strong clue in order to know whether we are dealing with a high-quality zone or not. First of all, this efficiency. When the price crosses a zone with a high face, an imbalance between buy and sell orders is created. This lack of movement is usually seen in the form of FBG between the candles, which means that there is a gap between the candles that you did not buy and fill the space there. This note usually catches the eye of smart money because the price may come back there to collect the liquidity or even return to the second breakfast of Strelesh. Boss means that the price breaks an important level of the market structure, such as support or resistance. Every time the boss happens, it means that the previous trend may continue. The longer this distance is, it means that Nahi has more power and pushed back the price more strongly. So when these three are together, AFJ BIOS and POSH are strong. Trusting the agreement of Nahi Sabla or demand is very high. Now let's give an example. On the 1 hour or 30-hour chart, if you draw the zigzag lines, the sine waves are clearly defined. The last movement of this policy in this chart has all the conditions of a sufficient demand area. It created a filio gap, broke the market structure and raised the price significantly compared to the previous movements. When the price comes back to this area, there is a high possibility that it will decline and continue the Saudi trend again. But what if the price of this area breaks the daemon and closes below it? Well, this shows that the buyers no longer have the power to return to the level and the sellers have taken control of the market, which means that the profit cycle has ended and there is a possibility of a return. It means that the market structure has changed and now the market's tendency is towards Prosheth. But be careful, this change in structure is not always valid. In some situations, the market structure alone is not reliable. Let me give you an example. Here we have an important swing low that caused the price to break out and break this level. But if you look at the left side of the chart, you will see something important. There is a strong liquidity area under this level. What does that mean? It means to take the Kohli trader long in this area and put their stables under it. So, under that level, there is a big mockery of liquidity. And what will happen now? Smart money can do exactly this. It pushes the price down, hits the hits and collects the liquidity, and then moves the market up again in the same Saudi direction. Therefore, this failure was actually a liquidity grab, not a real change in the market structure, and in such a situation, we should not call it a real change of character. So, in conclusion, in order to be able to recognize such noise, you should always look at the market structure and the concept of liquidity together. Separately, there are no reliable keys. When the price comes and performs a liquidity sweep under an important signal and then returns to the previous range, is this usually a strong signal to take a long position? Because the general trend is still Saudi. The market has only come to absorb the liquidity chain and now it is ready to go to the liquidity chain. This is exactly where smart money comes in after the traders' accounts have been hit and the main movement is about to start. Another important point that may cause a change of character to not realize that the nickname of character change by becoming AFPG is a joke. If you are a smart money concept trader, the first thing you should do when analyzing the chart is to find the filigree gaps that you haven't seen yet, because these prophecies act like magnets for the price. Another example, the example we mentioned before, if there is an unfilled page under that sunlu, often the price comes just to fill it up. Not that he really wants to reverse the trend, so if you see something like this without this reversal, it might just be a money back to fill the balance, not a real reversal of the trend. Jambondi, be sure to take a close look at the left side of the chart before making a decision. If you see that the price is only filling the valuer, don't jump to conclusions that the currency has changed. This point of view makes you stay away from wrong signals and remain in the bigger picture of the market, supply or demon. Who is in control of the market? The first step in analyzing a price chart is to know which direction the market is going. That is, who is in control, buyers or sellers? When we trade according to the direction of the market format, the probability of our success is much higher. Now, how does our system work? The main basis of this system is mitigation. When the price goes up and ticks a dimension, it means that the market has taken control again, and the opposite is also true. If the price goes up and ticks a splicing, it means that the value is now higher. It may seem very simple at first glance, but now let's go ahead. It will be completely comprehensive for you. Brush it. The market is in a Saudi trend and it is making a series of highs and highs every time the structure breaks upwards. And we also have this possibility that a new dimension will be formed. These dimensions will remain anonymous until the price is maintained. And this is exactly where the best opportunities to enter the main trend will happen. But what if the price comes and breaks a valid dimension? There, two important things will happen. Width will again take control of the market from hawks on, and a new credible splay zone will be formed. From there, the price starts to move downwards, creating new sub-levels until it reaches a dimension that is not full. Now, in this new area, there is a doubt between price and demand. Sometimes this conflict causes a range or a cumulative price. The price moves between these two areas until finally one of the upper hand surfin finds when the price of this range is limited. If it is up or down, then it will be clear whose hand price is. The next topic that we are going to check is Arda Blocka. Arda Blocka means the same supply and modified dimensions in the chart that you bought pressure and significant selling started from there. These areas are very important because it shows that institutional traders or large market companies may enter their positions from here and cause the price to move in a certain direction. How do we identify these areas? The first candle that creates a Wi-Fi and chat is known as Ard Black Zone. Why? Because we believe that the decision to move strongly was not made from within the entire region. When the price finally returns to this zone, it is more likely to react. But this reaction depends on whether the unfilled orders still remain inside the zone. It is important to see that the semi-blocks do not always work. We can never be 100% sure that the price will definitely behave based on these areas. But these are the areas of Bolgo, where the price may have a more predictable behavior. Like any other tool in tweeting, we have to combine black drills with other adjustments and strategies to increase their accuracy and reliability. Top-down analysis means analysis from top to bottom. The focus of this technique is on combining several different timeframes to have a complete understanding of market conditions. First, we start by analyzing the higher temperature such as the daily or weekly chart to check the overall trend, key level and market sentiment. These big views help us understand where the market is likely to go. Once the big picture is clear, we then go to a lower level like 4 cents or 1 cent to get to specific points and identify the exit by adding to our own trading concepts. The important thing is that you should never complicate trading. So just implement the concepts mentioned in this video on the chart. This method will help you to have a better understanding of the market and make a more accurate decision to enter trades. How to do this? Here we have the dollar to yen chart on the time form of my day. In the higher time form, the only thing we want to mark on the chart are the key areas of the exchange rate and the price of gas close to the actual price. At the top of the chart, we have the highest recent price and at the bottom, the lowest recent price. These SOTO are very important because if we zone to the lower time frame, we will realize that these prices act as return points for short-term trends. And since the price reaches this column again, we can expect a possible action, but if we look more closely, we can understand that the last sharp movement of the price has created a downward volatility gap. So we can mark the candle responsible for this balance as RD block. This bearish RD block is a good point to look for a buying opportunity. Currently, the price is at this level, however, there is no daily time frame to enter our trades. So we have to zoom to lower time frames such as 4 hours and 1 hour to find corrections and identify a reliable selling opportunity. The analysis in the lower time order is generally bearish in the higher time order and there is still enough space so that the price does not reach the next important area. This is all that is needed from the above time order to gauge general market sentiment and mark key areas. Now, let's zone the 4-hour time frame. Again, the only thing we need is to identify the direction of market movement and mark the key areas in this time frame. The direction of the market movement is a smooth downward trend, which burns the bottoms of the pointer and breaks the bottom of the pointer. The analysis is the same as it was in the daily movie time. This method will help you to take a chance on the general direction of the market and be ready to enter the tweets more accurately with more adjustments. The overall market share is declining and we are considering to buy a trade to be in line with the downward trend until the price reaches the next important SOTO. However, there is still no strong reason to enter a trade on the daily RD block. So let's zone in on the 1-hour time frame to see more details and find a suitable entry point. In the 1-hour form, it becomes very interesting. Unlike the higher time forms for moving here in Saudi Arabia, we mark the candle responsible for this imbalance as our RD black. For the accuracy of this area, we can add the next candlestick in this order. When the price reaches the 1-hour black order, we expect a battle between supply and demand. If the price goes below this black order and closes, it means that the supply has taken over the meter. On the other hand, if the demand wins, the price will rise and may even break above the daily RT block. Now let's see what will happen if the price goes below this black level and closes. It means that the currency has taken control. In other words, if the demand wins, the price will go up and may even break above the daily black level. Now let's see what happens. The price goes below the width for 1 hour and it shows that the width has reached the meter. This is a strong sign that the Saudi trend has ended and the price can continue its downward movement. I will start in the direction of higher hatred. So where should we trade? We are waiting for the price of RD blacks to make new downwards. We place our order in word black and put stop loss on top of it to make it more affordable for your students. We take a partial profit when the price reaches the target of expiry entering 1 by 2 and we look at the profit in the next gladiator so that we can get the most profit from the trade. This method will help you enter into the transaction more accurately and benefit from more analysis. In the end, you can take advantage of the dominant market trend by following the management and having a clear strategy. Here we have a very important point. Patience is one of the most important skills you can use as a trader. Waiting for sufficient trading signals to form in the market is not an option. This is a discipline that we must master. A lot of hairriders, especially beginners, get into wrong positions due to rash behavior because they feel that they should always be active in the market. But in fact, being a successful trader depends on the quantity of the trade, not the number of them. Above this is the highest price we reached recently, and after that the price was rejected. Below this level, it can be a potential support level when the price reaches it again. Also, this level has played the role of support and resistance several times. So we mark this. Now the price has gone below this level, so we expect the price to move to the next level in front of it. Now, let's focus on the 4-hour time frame. In this time frame, we see a smooth downward trend, which confirms that the higher time frame trend is also downward. This means that we only have to look for selling points. Now, the recent move has created an impulse, and we can mark this incense as a supply area. We also need to add this incense to the order block area because this is the starting point of the impulse. This makes our trading area a great area to find trading opportunities. However, if the price returns to this area, we expect the price to decline somewhere inside this area. The main point of patience is to have the right strategy, and micromanagement are the key principles for traders. Every trading opportunity should be used accurately and correctly in order to make the most of the market conditions. Then we go to the 1-hour time frame to make it more accurate and look for a selling opportunity. The 1-hour time frame is our focus on identifying RD blocks and placing solidities. Here, we can make the 4-hour RD block more accurate in this way. However, we still can't get into push position, because even though the time frame trend is higher, the structure of the 1-hour time frame is still Saudi. Now, check the price movement. At this point, the price has confirmed a change of character, which cannot be changed. In addition, an order block has been formed, which we can use to enter the position. Now that both the time frame trend is up and the time frame trend is down, we can enter a sell position with confidence. The 1-hour time frame in this strategy acts as the entry time frame, and it helps us to make more accurate trades. However, if we want to enter even more precisely, we can go to lower time frames such as 15-minute or 5-minute time frames to find more correction signals. This can help you enter your transactions at a better price and improve your wide to reward ratio. It is important that you pay attention. Keep in mind that in this analysis, we did not consider the volume of the session or economic news. These factors can have a great impact on the price movement, especially during the announcement of important economic news or periods of high market activity. Considering the volume of the session can help you to identify the times when liquidity is higher, and thus have more reliable trading proposals. Also, keeping track of economic news can help prevent unexpected news that may disrupt your transactions. Practicing this concept on the chart will definitely help you improve your chart analysis, understand the principles of price movement, and optimize your trade entry. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was useful, be sure to hit the like button for your support. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button for the next episode.